by mentioning one of my friends. He was watching one of my previous videos that came out yesterday, and he left this comment. His name is Samuel, by the way. He's a great friend of mine. Also, he is very good with React. I've seen what he did at work, and he's just great. So thank you for leaving this comment. So let's read it and let's see what he says. Yeah. So that use effect also, let me mention the name of the video. So this is from rendering markdown files inside the component, and he said that use effect hook needs an empty array as the second argument to act as a component did mount. So in the video, I mentioned that component did mount is similar to use effect, or kind of like the same thing in functional components, but apparently it's not. And let's keep reading. This tells it to run once. So the empty array as the second argument tells it to run once on the first render only and not every render. Also, be aware that the useEffect hook is not equal to component did mount. Yep, useEffect contains more of the lifecycle methods. A useEffect's return statement will run on this mount. We've used this in the navigation bar component in here, and I was experimenting with stuff earlier, but apparently we can't really apply what Sam said to navigation bar because we are re-rendering the component on scroll. So, but anyway, he wasn't talking about navigation bar anyway. So let me revert the changes in navigation bar, and let's go to blog post. Actually, let me revert this as well, so I'll show you what I did. It was really simple, actually. So what he recommends us to do is add a second argument in here, and it's going to be empty. Well, but we have to add some dependencies, right? This is coming from the outside. This is coming as a property to the component. So I have to add this in here, and in this way, if the component re-renders, I'm not sure what triggers a render. Actually, let's search for it. React re-render. Okay, not state change. Should component no? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So I have a question to Sam actually, if he's watching this. If this blog post component does not re-render, then do we need this? Because this blog post is a static web page, right? I mean, maybe it will update in the future, yeah, but for now, it's not going to re-render, right? There's nothing changing in here. But I can see his point because, like, let's say one of the buttons that I will add in here or something else will make this page re-render, and if that re-renders, if the page re-renders, this post inside the page has to re-render as well, maybe. So I think that's why he wanted me to add this. I think he can leave a comment on this video if he watches it to explain a bit more. But for now, I'll just add this in here and be done with it. Also, let's see if we do use useEffect anywhere else. Yeah, we use it in the navigation bar, but in here we're using event listeners, and we are changing. We need to redraw the component because we're updating the CSS. So there's not much we can do in here. I think. I'm not sure. I was reading some stuff earlier today regarding this, but I've closed it probably. Anyway, let me commit this change, and this will be the short video of today. So added empty array dependency, argument actually, to stop component from calling useEffect multiple times. Okay, that's it. I'll end the stream in here, and I might be wrong about this navigation bar thing. Maybe someone will correct me again. I don't know. Anyway, thank you. Bye.